Hey guys, what's the tea? My name is Jaden, and guess what? I have a setup, I got new lights and everything. The only thing I need is a camera. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, like I said, my name is Jaden, and this is my YouTube channel. So today, in honor of Halloween, I figured out that I wanted to do Ursula. But that's not who we're doing today. Guys, we are doing Ursula's daughter. Now, many of you probably know that in Descendants, which is a Disney Channel movie, it's called Descendants. In Descendants 2, Ursula's daughter makes an appearance, and her name is Uma. But here's the thing. I'm not gonna actually do her as the age that she is in the actual, movie? Yeah, I'm gonna actually do her if she was older. So, we're gonna transform into this. So, in honor of Miss Uma, we're gonna start with the eyes. I'm not gonna do the face just yet because I don't know if I want to give her scales or if I just want to contour her but give her a icy glow. I don't know just yet. So what I'm gonna do is start with her eyeballs by Kat Von D. It's the Lock-It a whiteout concealer, and I'm gonna use that to prime my eyes. I just feel like I want to make her a little dramatic, a little more edgy, you know? Because this is her if she was older. So I'm imagining her as if she was older, and you know, it would be like the type of look that she would go for if she was older. So, got that done. Now I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. And it's in the color Banana. And I'm gonna use that to set my eyelids. But I'm going to use my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to set it that way. I'm supposed to be going to a Halloween party, and I'm really trying to figure out what I'm going to be for Halloween. I wanted to be Ursula, but Ursula is one of those looks that you're actually supposed to like plan out, because you have to get the tentacles and everything, and I don't have time for tentacles, so I don't have time for tentacles. So I would have to figure out who can make them or if I can buy them. And I know I've seen tons of Ursula costumes, and a lot of them was bomb, and then a lot of them was like, nothing. I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill palette because Uma in the actual movie, she has more of a tealish. Okay, so basically her eye look is just teal eyeliner, but I'm not just gonna do teal eyeliner. I feel like she's gonna have more going on the face when she gets older. So I'm going to play with these colors over here. Now I feel like Uma would be teal purple, in that range. Teal purple, a little bit of blue, maybe. Like a little bit of blue. So I'm gonna play with those colors. So I'm taking this color here. No, I'm taking this color here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start off with that color in the crease, and we're gonna go from there. Now, I didn't plan this, so I don't exactly know what it's gonna look like, but best believe it's gonna be cute. Alright guys, so we're getting there. This is where we are so far. So now, in the Chocolate Hill palette, I'm going to take this kind of dark green-esque shade, and I'm just gonna deepen up the corners, outer V, just a little bit, not too much. Alright guys, so this is where we are. This is what we have so far. Alright, so in this case, I use my color switch. I love to use my color switch because sometimes when I'm doing things like I have to be somewhere soon. So sometimes when I'm in a rush but I really want to do a look and I don't want to really keep switching with different brushes, unless I need to, I will use my color switch. And basically all it is just that you're switching the color. There's no pigment on it. I don't know if you guys knew that, but now you know. Okay, so now that we got the, you know, teal going, I want to add in a
just a little snatch
of blue. A little snatch. Like, I don't want to add in no whole, just a little pinch of blue. So what we're gonna do is we're going into the Morphe 35V.
If you don't have this palette, honey, get on your game. Okay, because this palette, do you see these colors?
And then there's another one that came out. But I'll feature that one in another video. Right now, we're doing this one, pero we're using this blue here. Get a little bit on your brush. Gonna tap. Because, like I said, I only want a smidge of blue. And we're gonna come into this corner here. And we're gonna just bring a little bit of blue, because once we add that purple, they gonna mix and they gonna have a party and everybody gonna be like, whoop, there it is. You see that little bit of blue? It's just a bit of blue, not too much.
Yes.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna take this purple here. She cute. We cut to the crease. Hey, so now that's when we're gonna take this purple and we're just gonna stamp it right on top. And we done. No, just kidding, we're not done. We're nowhere near done. No, we're not even done. But what we are done with is this purple. This is the majority of, you know, what we got going on. So now what we're gonna do is, on top of this purple, y'all thought we was done, huh? I know you did. So now we're gonna go for this blue, well, teal. I'm gonna go for that teal there. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Mist and Fix and just spritz it a little bit. That's not Mist and Fix. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then I'm gonna place this in the center. Alright, so I like the way this looks. I think she would look grown with this look, but she not grown yet. We gonna do a little bit more. But I can't finish it now because I have to put on foundation. Actually, no. We should be able to do it. I'm gonna take this purple here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Spray it. And just right in the corner. Ooh. Now I'm gonna highlight it even more, but yes. Okay. I really feel like this is what she was like. Oh, excuse me guys, I actually have a cold. And I've been sniffling all day and I hate getting sick because of that reason. Anyways, so this is where we're at so far with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and we're going to eyeline and do mascara and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I did my brows, lashes are done, lashes are on, and that's it. I don't really like these lashes. They came with a set. They're called Glamour Look. And it came with this Clinique set that I got for removal, makeup removal. So I actually really don't like them, but we're gonna wear them because why not? Okay guys, so we can actually finish the eyes, and I'm going to take that same brush that was in the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. Actually, no. I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette because I think I just want to put purple underneath and then bring more of the teal. So we're just gonna take a little bit of that purple here and we're going to just smoke that out underneath. We're gonna take that teal and we're just gonna put it right in the front. Just like that. And my last step for the eyes is to take this green eyeliner by NYX Cosmetics and I'm gonna put that in the waterline. Because it's me, what I really like to do is put a little bit of black eyeliner on the outer V just to give me a little bit more of that depth. See how much of a difference that makes? I have that black eyeliner in the inner V and it just makes the eyes a little bit more devious. So on my cheeks I have this. It's the highlighter from Fire and Ice from, I believe it's Wet n Wild. This highlighter is bomb. Like, it came with this little highlighting brush. This highlighter, though.
Like. Just like. Excuse me, what? Okay.
Okay, so I do believe I am done with the eyes. So before I go ahead and do my lips, I'm going to set my face.
I love the smell of that. That just smells like so refreshing and just everything. Do you see this highlighter? This highlighter is like.
Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If there's any other things you want me to try, just comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become part of the Fusion Factory. Alright, you guys, have a nice night, day, whatever. Go have fun, do what you do, shake a tail feather, you know what it do. Alright, you guys, happy Halloween.